fit any assess anything, and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be a change here floor, and I'm about too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me share.
PCR test is very difficult and then price very high in Spain, but immediately coming in Ghana, open the gate, open the airport. No, I like it.
Abusia yan koso yan mo akwaba na yan kai wo se wani gusa wo hye Oman channel na sabre de mo so for eka Italy ma bo epin eye airport mo hye emachi a woni se enipa na na edi atwentwe se ya woni kɔ no woni ba ni nyina ene sen se ne eye government no eka ehye ye de to hɔ se Nyankopɔn ya de ma 1 September no me che ebobo so me ne de di kan no ye bebie eye airport no ene de abusia pani behwe ampani ampa woni de ɔse ayo oyo na esan se Oman channel we bring the world to you until ye de wiase nyina abre wonti no ya bo e de pin se ne be ya nhyehyeye a woni hyehyeye nyina no eno so ye betimi nso ama wani ene waso nso ate eno nti koso ana stay tuned to Oman channel na ye de nyina nso ebe bro sabe de wa wo hwa enipa no ebi ekɔ ena ebi nso so eba na hyehyeye protocols nyina no omudi so ana ne nyina se wo beje bre na ode aman na ne nyina nso no ye de be bro ne nyina na eye Oman channel sabe de akwa Italy me bo apin nti koso ana di mechi
o'clock o ma de hye mo kwa bade mo ba Oman channel so mo so fu efia empress ene de mo nua ba bia me gyen de mo amohwe background na mo hwe me mechi won ma mutimu se me bia me gyen de airport ena me wo sisi ya na me ka Kotoka airport international airport ho na me wo no ye ma mpanin e be ka se on the 1st September obebie port no e de atomu enu nti so no be trans Saturday ye be ka se wo bie no ye be hwese ampa anase enya badofo ye ba so de koto ye man peni wa ya de wo de ose aye oyo wo bi e de amaye na emum se edina hansi de ene airport nkwan ye be ka ho ase ye de nsam so ye den enna mo paarafo me nua baabi wo ho no ma me ne twetwe enkomo fa Tracy because our industry no ono so ye actress ye be se busan se de nua ba Tracy eye what dia to the sense say the okeka ko kan oba be kan oba be kan dafo enye easy enenti ono akasa ne body onim ni pa onim Tracy pa me ne ba busa ne say ne nua ba na futuo be pa na wode ma no e na Ghana for so kasa Tracy wo sora wo ya advert says to factory na so to me a 10 months pregnant woman adafo umientie bi ore obi abakode
nyame ato be ho ye minia
e de na ekoso
de ekoso ne so mampanye bi airport ya to show boy on the so on the ose awoyo ai do show boy ai papa no ado papa no enti ye ba be hwe de ekoso
musi ado papa no
ai sa ado ono so ya papa no se na papa fo no ma do so papa fo no sister me se si akura no ye si afia twase ne ganso wo papa se obi a wo papa na papa no hwan
na me pe me ya tro samboard me be board esi kwan ho ma tregu
no wo so pe because papa na de ehu hia
na wanka so papa ne bi de
say yes here dey afa no ma introduce papa ni wo so bi akwa papa ni nya papa ni bi
what application call round
me pe bi mani abere sister wonya bi afrem
sa
because we nya papa na ni enkrofo ye no ntimi nya bi
ampa na ye ne anya billboard ka se kwan ho ye wo say ye betimi de
just me be say Tracy so ye billboard da bi just ye de ho jim
ati ore
just ye de ho jim because se ano campaign no wudi akira wutimi nya papa no wo just se ano adu show boy de me se me hu se 4 years for nana
4 years for nana
4 years for nana me be di akira ai me papa no enu enti me nya
enye papa ko kamera ba Tracy ni nneoma wo ye ekoso na nke nim se akoda kora but obi ko kan ne fa ne birthday wo kodi ne ba ne birthday wo kodi se ne dresses nye no ono so asa ba art abedidi atem e di asempa na waka che no
Okay, medase. Dear me country trace Boachi and say one. Or no, yes.
The suffering, people are suffering here, and that's what I don't like. The people in Ghana are suffering. So opening of the borders is good. People can come out, but people can come in. That's more important. People can come back in. Hotels can be full. A lot of the hotels are empty. It's really sad, and I know many people who are suffering. And so I'm happy that I can travel. I'm sad to leave Ghana, but I'm happy that the business will start up again. So I just wish Ghana all the best, and let's hope the COVID stays away. We all distance and wear our masks, and we do that. Yeah. Wow.
Also, may I have your name, please?
My name is Simon.
Simon.
Simon Fleet. Fleet. Yeah. Simon Fleet. And I'm. Yeah. Anyway.
I just
Good.
came in with my camera. Forgive me. I just want to ask you a few questions. Where exactly are you going to?
I'm going to London, but my end destination is Germany. I live in Germany, but we're flying to London. The charter flight goes to London, and then many people will then go various other places from there.
So you get before the lockdown?
I was here before the lockdown. Yeah, I got. I was here from February. Yeah. So I've been.
But when were you supposed to go back?
I was supposed to go back in May, but I couldn't. So we had to wait, and now it's September. So, we're happy.
So
Well,
how has it been like? How have you received this news? The reopening of the airport?
It's been. I mean, the airport's good. Everything's good. The communication been good by the president, and we've all been well informed. So we're happy in that way. So can't complain. It's been handled well.
How do you feel like going back to where you truly belong?
Change is always difficult. It's an emotional time. Leaving Ghana is tough. Going back to my home country is obviously happy, but it's mixed emotions. Yeah. I just want the world to get back to normal so that I can come back again to Ghana, and that we can come back on throw. Because the worst thing is when you say to somebody, I don't know when I can come back. It may be 1 or 2 years.
Okay.
So anyway.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your time.
You are here during the pandemic, and you've been listening to your country.
Yeah.
What is happening there? Comparing your country, the pandemic, and Ghana, are we blessed? Is Ghana okay than your country?
Yes, yeah. Ghana has handled it. I won't say better, differently. Ghana has shut things down, which has other consequences for the economy. The UK didn't shut it down as much. Shutting down, people have suffered because they haven't had money, but they haven't had the COVID. So it's either the disease or suffering. It's difficult, economy or being ill, and we want to stay well.
Yeah, we know it has affected every country.
The
economy has been affected seriously.
So I mean, it's a tough time for the world, tough time for everybody, every individual, and we have to be strong and try. We have to listen to the experts, the health experts, obviously the governments, we have to respect that. Sometimes it's difficult because we don't always agree, but we're happy that things are progressing. It's slow, and people ask when will we want the cure to come. Let's hope the cure will come by the end of this year, beginning of next year. Let's hope it'll be all over the world, and then it'll be a thing of the past and something to write about.
But are you sure you're going to get vaccine, or is it going to be like other diseases like HIV and others?
No, I think it will take another 6 months at least. It's difficult, and then to develop that. So.
And others also are saying it has come to stay.
No, Corona is a temporary thing, but it can be a few years. This is the trouble. It's how you handle it and how things go on future. This social distancing or not meeting up with people. Meet up, but only keep your distance. It's different to how before it was different. You have your arm around your friends and your relatives. Now you have to do the elbow, you respect and try. Wash your hands 10 times a day. Before I used to wash it 2 or 3. Now I wash it almost every time. So it is difficult, new stuff, but anyway, we're at that.
Okay.
Anyway, I need
lastly, you want to advise Ghana and your country about this nose masks. The world.
Advise the world. I mean, the world is. We need to keep following the statistics. People need to be honest when they feel ill and they have the disease. They need to say. Obviously, they don't need to be irresponsible and then go and mix with others. If you're invited to a party, or you have to risk assess and say, is it really necessary, or can we perhaps have a smaller gathering? It's tough because if you've got children and people like to get together at the weekends, that's hard. But you have to think, for the safety, let's do it at distance. So really just people to be common sense, and try and talk to each other, and try not to get down and try not to get angry. the anger, if that comes out and gets into demonstrations, that's what we don't want. But I understand the tension. Anyway, thank you very much. It's been good talking to you.
We respect. Go and come back again.
Oh, yeah, sure, sir. What did I do?
The first time the part.
Were you expected to meet to be able to embark on this flight?
What, sorry?
What kind of requirements were you expected to meet? What procedures or processes did you go through to be able
Well, I mean,
to
I know what is the requirement when I come back. But here, I just go, mask, you have to wear the mask and then go to check in.
Did you go through the test?
No, we had the test before, yeah. 4 times already.
4 times?
Because we are from offshore, so we are testing, every time we come in here. Plus at home, plus here 2 times already. Before 2 times. Total together 6. We travel to London.
London.
And then Berlin.
Okay, so you're connecting from London to
Yes,
Berlin.
yes.
Do you know what requirements you are supposed to meet in London before you connect to Berlin?
Well, at the moment in ECU there is no special requirement, but you need to register on the phone. So we have a special app, and then the UK government just monitoring you. But if I go to London or to England, then I have to go for isolation. Yeah? But because I'm traveling 24 hours, I'm allowed to just to go to hotel and then fly back.
Isolation for how many days?
Well, normally 14 days.
14 days.
Yes.
The same as the way Ghana is supposed to be doing.
No, before Ghana was doing 14 days, but now they will be different now, yeah.
So which flight are you taking now?
Charter flight.
Chartered flight?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Too low charter.
Then do you always fly chartered or?
No. It's only because of COVID to have a charter flight every 2 weeks.
It's unusual.
Yes. I mean now will be normal, yeah, but before was only every 2 weeks.
All right. Kindly give us your name.
Thank you very much.
Your name.
Darek.
Derek what?
Miziak.
Miziak.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So will you come back? The COVID-19 pandemic has come to stay. Do you believe?
I have my own opinion, but it's like normal sickness to me.
What is your opinion, please?
I think that's it's like you have to be careful.
Careful, like.
Well, I mean, mask, social distance. We shouldn't be so close, like for instance, yeah? 2 meters at least, then we'll be fine.
Oh, okay. So what?
And test. You need to test people as many as possible.
Oh, okay. So what will you tell people?
Not just sick people. You have to test people,
You have to test people. Whether you are sick or not, they have
correct,
to test you.
correct. In my opinion, then you will find out.
Okay.
How many people?
Mass testing.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Can I go?
Last one. What advice will you give to people? Because people don't even put on the nose masks.
Well, I mean, wear mask and social distance.
Yeah. So
clean hands, things like that.
So advice to the world.
Yes. Yeah, clean hands, mask, and social distance.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
Much. Okay.
Okay, so we have a flight.
Your name, please.
Yuri.
Come again.
Yuri.
Yuri. From?
Russia.
Russia. So you are going back to Russia today?
Yes.
Which flight?
Titan Airways.
Is it chartered? Chartered Airways.
Titan, yes.
Chartered. Okay. Oh, okay.
Chartered flight.
Is it usual or it's unusual?
Yeah, with Siemens. With Siemens.
Siemens?
Siemens.
Siemens.
Yeah, seafarers.
Oh, okay. Oh,
So.
Okay. How long have you been in Ghana?
We haven't been in Ghana. We've been in married on the vessel. On the vessel.
On the vessel?
Yeah.
Oh, so straight from the vessel?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Have you been tested?
Of course.
How many times?
Once before traveling.
Oh, okay. Is one enough? Well, then they said they have to test you like 3 times.
No, we was tested once.
Just once?
Yes.
But when you get to your country, will you be tested again?
Of course.
Oh, okay. How do you find Ghana during this pandemic disease?
Very tired, guys. Very tired.
I can see you are very tired.
Yeah.
Okay. When are you coming back?
Maybe in 6 weeks.
6 weeks. Okay. Then we wish you all the best. First,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Please, can you advise the way for us?
Huh?
Advise to the world about the COVID-19.
What?
Yeah, they should take precaution. They should take care of themselves.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
All right. Okay. All right.